Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaviarkezzy. Today I'm doing an initial review on the hair that I ordered from AliExpress from CELIE Hair, and I've been wearing it for about 5 days now. The shipping was really good. If you guys really want to know what the shipping process, the customer service is like, definitely recommend checking out the video that I did before, the unboxing first impressions, because that video talks about all those things that I don't really want to get into today. I just strictly want to stick to reviewing the hair in this video. But I installed it into a wig, so this is a full wig that I made, and it is ear to ear, the frontal, so it goes from my ear to the other ear. And the lace color was really pretty. I did not have to do any tinting or any bleaching to the actual lace. The lace really fit my skin tone really well, so I was really happy about that. And I definitely did a lot of plucking around the hairline because it's obviously not as natural, so definitely recommend doing that if you guys are going to be wearing it up and stuff and you just want it to look more natural. Some of the pros and cons, I'll say for sure, we'll start off with the good stuff, right? The pros, the curl pattern is beautiful. It does not tangle when it's in its natural state with no product. Like literally, I'm just wearing it with water. Midway into this video, guys, I'm going to wet the hair down so you guys can see the difference when it's wet. But for right now, this is just like wet with water and then, you know, just kind of brushed through. So it gets pretty full. The wave is really pretty. It's a nice natural color and it feels really soft. It feels the softest when it has no products in it. It does straighten. I tried straightening it earlier and it does. So I can show you guys like a strand that I'll straighten. I wouldn't recommend straightening this hair though. You're getting curly hair. I don't recommend straightening it because why did you buy curly hair if you want to straighten it? You know what I'm saying? So that's what the hair looks like straightened. So for those who are wondering, it is possible. I'll pick a bigger piece right here. Okay, so there you go again. It does straighten really well. So, when I installed the wig, I noticed a big huge line, like separation line between the frontal and the shortest bundle. So I didn't like that. It said it was 18 inches, but honestly I highly doubt it's 18 inches. I don't know, I think it was more like a 12-inch bundle. I had to cut all of the hair shorter, like going down, like just slide cutting, because the hair just did not blend in, and when it's down completely you can see it a lot more. Another con I noticed were some areas on the wig where the hair did not necessarily match the same curl pattern, like over here. As you guys can see, like you might be able to see if I turn sideways, it's more straight, so I definitely think that is a con. Even when wetting it down, I still have to really work that curl in, right? So I'm going to take out my pretty little ponytail and so that's how short that shortest the frontal is. That's about 12 inches. So I'm going to wet it. Another con, sorry, is that it's really straight up front. I know if you guys have watched the first video that I did, I was saying like I'm not sure how I feel about that, but I still don't really care for it. I would prefer it to be curled from the root all the way down, so that was kind of annoying. But what are you gonna do, right? It is what it is. Like overall, I'm really happy with the unit. It looks really natural. I've been getting tons of compliments with it. Even my mom, who has beautiful hair, wanted me to make one for her. Usually when I'm wearing it, I wear it like this. So just kind of like pulled forward on one side. As you can see close up, I'm gonna get closer so you guys can see. the hair can be parted anywhere, right? So I do like that a lot. The knots I did bleach and it looks really natural. You really cannot tell because the lace, the holes on the lace are really tiny, so it looks super natural. I'm not wearing like a wig cap or anything underneath. I just have my hair slicked back, so there's nothing fancy about this. And you still can't see the lace. So I really like that. On either side, if I put the hair on this side, it looks good. If I put it on the other side, it looks, I just sprayed myself in the eye. It looks good. And when it's wet, you can see, you can run your hands through it, no problem. This hair will dry in about 5 minutes or overall, like, honestly, you guys, like, I don't really have anything bad to say so far. The only thing is, like, we know hairs, you know, at first everything looks beautiful and stuff like that, so I'm sure it's gonna look really cute at first, but then maybe, you know, a month from now it's not gonna be as good. So what am I trying to say? Like, just after, you know, installing the unit, like, right now it looks really nice, it feels really nice, it's acting right, and you can wear it like any which way, you know what I'm saying? So if you guys are interested in seeing more about the hair, definitely continue to watch the review videos. I will update you guys on the hair after, you know, wearing it for some time. I would really stress, if you are getting this wig, to ask about getting a longer frontal if you are getting the same lengths that I got, because you will encounter the same problem that I did, where the lace, the frontal hairs were a lot shorter and it just looked like super blunt. So I went in and I cut all of the bundles just to kind of blend it and layer it some more, because how it came was just like a blunt line like this, and then it was all long hair. I didn't like that. So definitely check it out, like, see if you can get a longer frontal length, because that will change the game for sure. I wish I didn't have to cut it, but I knew, like, it looked so bad. So I took a razor to it and I took some shears, cutting shears, and I just snipped them at the end. And as far as the baby hairs, it comes with a lot of baby hairs. I'm still trying to figure out exactly how I like my baby hairs laid on my units. I prefer no baby hairs, to be honest, but I feel like with curly hair it just looks better. But I try to keep them as minimal as possible, so I try to, like, pluck around those areas where there was a lot of baby hairs. But, like, how realistic does this look? Don't come for me if the wig is, you know, not acting right. It's not my fault. I chose to buy this hair with my own money, so I'm at risk, and I'm just sharing the knowledge. So if it's great, I will honestly tell you guys it's great. If it's not, I'll be honest too and let you know what the hell is. So guys, that's the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. As always, if you have any questions, leave it below. I will get back to you as soon as I can. I hope you guys enjoy your weekend or your weekday, whatever day it is when I post this video. Until next time, peace.